Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create new workspace in Power BI service. Now step 1 is just open the browser in your laptop and make sure to log in with your app.powerbi.com website and account, and once logged in, so you will be at this home page. So from the section just click on create button, and once you click on create, so you will see something like this workspaces. So you can search it if you have already, and in our case we are creating new one, so just click on new workspace. And once you click on new workspace, so you can see like create a workspace. In this section you can just enter the name of the workspace, and after the name you can just enter the description whatever you want to write, and once added you can just upload the workspace image as well if you want to. And once done, so as you can see like the name is added, description is added. If you want to add image, so you can add it, otherwise you can just click on advanced. And once you click on advanced, in this section you will see the contact list, which is the owner. As you can see, one of them is the owner. If you want to add any other groups you can add it, otherwise you can do it later. And you can choose the license mode as well, like you want to do it on pro or trial or premium per user. You can select it whichever is fit for you, and once done you can just click on apply button, and make sure to like default storage format, choose the format source, or you can say the storage format as well. Like if your data is small, data set is small, you can just click on small data set storage format. If you have a large data set, you can just choose the second option, large data set storage format. And after that just click on apply, and once you click on apply, so it will take a few seconds to load. And in this, like after a few seconds, you will be sent to the new workspace that you have created. Now as you can see, like this is the name, this is the description. Now from this you can just upload anything that you want. You can just add new as well. You can just manage access and give it to the team or any other person that you want to, and you can do this stuff from this section. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel if you find this video useful.